torch, flashlight, biscuit, cookie, cabinet, chest, football, soccer, lorry, truck, film, movie, rubber, eraser, holiday, vacation, tap, vacuate, trousers, pants, curtains, drapes, pants, underwear, mobile phone, cell phone, postcode, zip code, takeaway, take out, sweets, candy, car park, parking lot, motorway, highway, tire, tire, timetable, schedule, post, mail, queue, line, CV, resume, underground, subway, trash can, dustbin, lift, elevator. Now it's your turn. What style of English are you learning? American or the British English? And why did you choose it? Let me know in the comments.